Hello, welcome students. Let's start from the first PDF. In the previous lecture, we learned that some basic things before start learning the basic command, which are important to learn the basic command of the Linux. Now we are start learning the basic command of the Linux. So first of all, let me open the PDF. This is the first PDF, this one, and I already opened it, so that's why I opened from here. Now we have basics Linux command start from one and ended on, basically it have some sections. So let's start. So firstly open the terminal and type here sudo su. I hope you know that what is sudo su. Let me show you again. If you type here after open the terminal, let me again open the terminal also. Click the terminal and type here who am I and press enter. It show you that you are not in the root mode, you are in the another mode which is not the root. And what is the difference between the root and the normal mode? In the root mode you have permission of any kind, every kind of permission to do anything. But if you are not in the root mode, then you have only a limited permissions. Even you don't have the admin permissions here. So just type here sudo space su and then type your password. It will be take you to the root mode. Now again type here who am I and then you are in the root mode successfully. Okay, so if you want to clear the terminal, then just type here clear and press enter. Your terminal will be cleared and you can type here the new command easily. So let's start from the first command, and that is who am I, who, which I already tell you that. Type here who am I, and then this command show you that you are in the root mode or not. If you are in the root mode, then it show you in the return of the answer root, and if you are not in the root mode, then it return you your username of your system. Like my system username is respect. Let me exit from my root mode. Now I'm not in the root mode currently, so I again type the same command here which I type in the root mode, which is who am I, and you can see that it show me my username which is respect. It means that I am not in the root mode currently. So enter, if you want to enter in the root mode to perform any kind of task without any permission, then type here sudo su, press enter and then type your password if it is required, and again type who am I. So it tells you that you are in the root mode. So that's why we use a sudo su command, and this is the use of who am I. Now if I type here who, just who, not the who am I, just type here who and press enter. So it show me that I am in the, my username is this one, and which is login at this time and at the root mode at this time. So we learn the first two command. Now let's jump to the second one, which is users. Let me scroll up my page. So users, uname minus r and uname minus a. So start from the users, type here users and press enter. So it show you that how many currently users available in your Linux operating system. It means that when I restart my system or turn on my system, and it requires the username and password from me. So that is a one account. You can create the multiple account, same like the Windows operating system, which is run in the IPC labs, in the universities or in the cafeterias. So actually there will be available a one server and have multiple accounts. You can log in from any computer which is available in the IPC or in the lab. You can log in from any computer, but you need to use your account. It means that the multiple accounts are enabled on that server. So this command show you that how many users will be created in your system currently. So currently I have only one user. So now type the next command, but first type here clear to clear the terminal. clear, clear. Now type here uname, this one, and press enter. It show me that what is my operating system name. on which operating system I'm currently working. So it show me that this is Linux operating system, Linux. And if I type here uname space minus R, then it show me the version with my operating system variety name. It means that I install the Kali Linux operating system where I am currently working. This is all about the Kali Linux. This is a Kali Linux operating system. You can check here. This is a Kali Linux. Okay. So if I type here uname minus R, it means that it show me that on which operating system I'm currently working, and it also show you the version of the operating system. So 6.1.0 Kali 9 AMD 64 operating system and version is running in my laptop currently. Now type here uname minus A and let's see what happened. Now it show you all the basics of your system and include username, version and your Debian series. Like I am using the Linux, username is respect, this is the version of my Linux operating system, and name is Kali Linux, version is Kali Linux AMD 64, and the another detail that SMP Prem Dynamic Debian. It shows that this is a Debian series of Linux operating systems, and then it shows us that I'm currently in working in the x86 or x64 bit versions operating system, and it is a GNU Linux. So that is this is the use of these commands. Uname, you can see that uname have three uses. Now let's jump to the next one, which is pwd ls and some other command. So if I type here pwd, if I type here pwd, then it show me the directory that currently where I am working in which directory I'm currently available, or in which directory I'm currently available. Let me show you with the graphical. If I open the file manager from here, so this location is a home location. Currently this is a user home location. So if I want to go to the downloads, now this is a download location, this is a pictures location, this is videos location, document and some other location, this is a file system location. Okay, so the home directory is this one, your username location. So my system username is respect, you can rename it as whatever you want. So this is the home location and currently I'm here. So let's see that I want to show all these files and folders here. Armitage, desktop, documents, HS, GR, OSMDR, and all this one. So just type here ls. Then it show you all the command through the command line in the terminal. Like you can see that Armitage, here Armitage. Desktop, desktop, here is a desktop. Now let's find a file here like Wi-Fi auto.sh. So find here and here is a file. Wi-Fi auto.sh. So there's a difference between the graphical interface and command line interface. So if I want to check that currently where am I available, so just type pwd and press enter. It show you that you are currently in the home slash respect directory. So let me enter in the download location. So we learn about it in the next time. I just want to show you that. So now I am in the download location. Here is the location. Here is the location. Okay. So if I type here pwd and it show me that currently I am in the home respect downloads. So this is the use of pwd command. So let's check that which things are available in the download location. So here's the graphical and here I'm in the download. Let me show you pwd and when the download. Type here ls. So these are all the things available in the download like 4K video downloader. Let's find it here. I'm in the download. Okay, this is the file 4K video downloader dot Debian, and here is the file. Let's find another one like domains.csv. Let's find it here. Uh, okay, and here is the file domains.csv. So this is the use of ls command. But ls command have multiple uses, like let me close the graphical interface. Now if I type here ls, just type ls, then it show me that which things are available in my current directory. Let me clear the terminal. And if I type here ls minus space minus r, then it show me that which directory have the root permission or which directory have no root permission. The things which are in the green color, it means that things have the root permission, and other colors have no root permissions completely. To now type here ls space minus a, then it show you the hidden files which are available in the directory. So these both are the hidden files which are available here, but not showing in the graphical or in the command line. But you can show with the help of this command ls space minus a. It means that show the hidden files which are available here. Now if you type here ls minus capital R, so let's see what happened. And here is the material. It show you every detail about this current available directory. So don't use this command, it is a rush command. Now just type here ls minus la. It means that ls minus la is a very useful command. This command show you that which file have how many permissions. Like let's take example of this one. So this one have read, write, execute permission. Now this file have only read, write permission, not the execute permission. This file have every type of permission. Read, write, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. So in the next lecture, we also learn that how we can change the permissions of any kind of any file, of any folder or any file. Okay. So let's jump to the fourth one and fifth one, and then this lecture will be completed. And in the next lecture, we start from the sixth one. Now, what is a mkdir command meaning and rmdir command meaning? But first of all, let's learn about man. What is man command? So if you want to know about any command, like if there's a command ls, so you don't know that what is the use of ls command, and you find it from anywhere like internet, and you hear it from your friend, or you hear it from an expert, or hear it from a teacher. So if you want to know about that command, then just type here, first type here man space and then type the command name like ls, press enter. Then it show you the user manual of this command, that command. These are all the usage of only the ls command. Now if you want to exit from here, just press the q button once a time and you exit from here. Now I want to know about the users command, so type here man users, press enter. So these are all the usage of users command with the different examples. Q, press Q to quit. Let's check one more command like uname. So type man uname and press enter. So these are all the examples of uname command. Press Q to exit. So let's type here mkdir. What is mkdir? So if I complete the word of mkdir like mkdir, so this command full name is make, mk meaning make, and dir mean directory. mkdir is a shortcut of make directory command. So we use mkdir, not the full command. So type mkdir, press space button, and then type the folder that you want to create. First of all, let me go back. Okay, now I'm in the root, in the home location. Let me show you graphically also. Here is the home location. So let's create a folder here which is not already available here. Let's create a new folder with the help of command line interface. So I want to create a folder here. So there's a two method. Simply back click here, create a folder, and type here folder 1 and press enter. So here is a folder. You can rename it and you can delete it and anything you can do it here, but you can create a folder with the help of this method. So this is a graphical method. Now I want to create a new folder with the help of command line interface. So you can use the command mkdir, press space, and then type your folder name. So I want to create a folder which name is folder 2, which name is folder 2. Uh, Let me type here again. Type here mkdir space 1 and type mkdir and then type your folder name that you want to create a folder. So at this time I want to create a folder with the help of command line which name is folder 2. So mkdir space your folder name, press enter, and now find here the folder name which name is folder 2. And here is the folder. Let's create a one more folder here. Just type mkdir and another folder name like my underscore name. So this is a folder name. You can see that this folder is not currently available here. I'm going to create this folder with the help of command line. Press enter and now type find here my name, my underscore name, and here is a folder. Okay, so this is the use of mkdir command. Now I want to delete this command, so there's a two method. Simply select the folder, back click and delete it, or move to trash, the same thing. Yes, okay, so this is the one method and this is a graphical, but I want to do this process with the help of command line. So replace the mkdir command with the rmdir command. Let me show you the example. The rmdir command full name is that rmdir full name is remove directory. The full command name is remove directory, and rmdir is a shortcut of remove directory. So we use the rmdir. Now I want to delete the my name folder with the help of command line. So type here rmdir and press space and type the folder name that you want to delete. My underscore name. You can delete that. You can check that when I press enter, it can delete at the real time. So let's see. And here the folder is deleted. Now let's delete one more folder which name is folder 1. Folder 1. But first let me select the folder to show you that at the real time. Now when I press enter, here you can see that folder 1 is deleted. Delete also the folder 2 and this is also deleted. So this is the use of mkdir command and rmdir command. Now we have left only lsblk df wget. So if you type here lsblk, what is the use of this command? The use of this command is very simple. It show you the your storage management or your storage detail. Press enter and it show you that how many partitions are available in your system currently, with the name, with disk, with partition, and with the directory. So currently there's one, two, three. So currently the two disks are available in my system, and these are the partitions of the further these disks. So this is the use of lsblk command. So let's see that what is the use of df command. You can see that df command show you the percentage of every disk, that which disk how many used and how many disk is free about every disk. Now we have left only one command of this lecture, and that is wget. What is the use of wget command? So if I type here wget, wget is not pre-installed in your system sometime if you are not using the full version of Kali Linux, or if you are using the Ubuntu system. Ubuntu is also a Linux, the same like Kali Linux distribution, but not the Kali Linux. So you can install it with the help of this command apt install wget and press enter. And this command is automatically find from the internet and install in your Linux operating system. And you can install this command with the help of this apt install wget. So what is the use of this command? Simply if you want to download any link from the internet, like let me open the browser here and open any website here, like I want to type here tool X GitHub, press enter, and I open any link like this one. So I want to download this page completely. So copy this one. I want to download this page, complete code. So copy this page link from here, copy, and now go back to your terminal. Type here wget, press space, and paste the link here with the Control Shift V and press enter. So you can see that it tried to resolve this one, resolving github.com. It automatically download this page completely and saved in the index.html form in your storage. So that's it for this lecture. But first of all, let me complete this process, and it is completed. Type here ls to check that. Here you can see that the new file is created here, which name is toolx. So let's check the detail about this one toolx. Type ls minus la, and where is our toolx? Here you can see that this is a file. So you can check in the graphical method. Like here is the file. So if I double click on this file, and here you can see that your complete page is downloaded in your laptop or in your system. This one is, these both are same, but when I click on this one, and you can see that it is opened through the link https, it means that it opened through the link from the github.com. But when I click on this one, which I opened from my file manager location, so you can see the location. This is not a http or https or any other or github.com. It is a file home respect and toolx location. It means that I create a clone of this page completely and download in my laptop or in my system using wget command. So this is the use of wget command. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.